A gutsy half-century by Mohammad Rizwan was the highlight of day 2 of the second test in Southampton, which was another start-stop day with bad light and rain, limiting the number of overs bowled in the day 2 to 40.2 overs, in which 97 runs were scored. Having added 38 for the sixth wicket with Babar Azam, Rizwan batted well with the tail after Pakistan lost quick wickets, with his 39 runs association with Mohammad Abbas, helping Pakistan end the day at 223 for 9. James Anderson and Stuart Broad had 3 wickets apiece at the end of the day 2. The start of the day was delayed by an hour and a half due to bad weather, and the opening session lasted for an hour with Babar and Rizwan keeping the England bowlers at bay. Chris Woakes and Anderson operated at the start, while Sam Curran and Broad bowled in team end later, but none managed a wicket as the fifth wicket pair built a watchful partnership. Babar and Rizwan showed good appreciation and application, concentrating on scoring off deliveries pitched on the pads, which were off the delivery outside off and looked pretty much in control, bearing a few play and misses. Only 29 runs were scored off 15.2 overs in the short end of the session, but the Babar-Rizwan combo ensured that Pakistan did not lose any wickets. However, Broad found the outside edge of Babar's bat in the third over after lunch, ending a hard-working 6-wicket partnership that had lasted for 20 overs and yielded 38 runs. It also ended Babar's streak of 50-plus scores in first innings as he misses a sixth successive one by 3 runs. The tail of streak around with Rizwan was attempted to get Pakistan closer to the 200 mark. Yasir Shah played 16 deliveries in a 13-run stand before he became Anderson's third slap, with Shaheen Afridi was hung around 19 deliveries with a run out of a duck. Pakistan were reduced for 176 for 8 when Rizwan upped his scoring later and managing boundaries of Chris Woakes and Curran. The second session eventually came to an end with the players walking off for bad weather and bad light. They were back on the field after tea, but only 1.3 overs, during which Broad trapped Abbas in front of the end of 9th wicket stand before the walked off for bad light again and did not return this time.